I just had triplets. Well, you see, these triplets ain't of the same mother. No, that they're not. Allow me to explain. You see, a socket should have the correct polarity. So I'd like to check the socket, to be fair, and see whether or not it is of the correct polarity. Now we have a confused trailing lead, where only two of the sockets are actually the right way round. Allow me to show you. Okay, there you go. Those two lights tell me it's the right way round. Those two over there tell me it's the wrong way round. Yeah, reverse polarity. All right? So, this is faulty. But how about these things? Now, we know these two here are good, okay? So we're going to be plugging this into this socket. Just there. It's in. Right. So allow me to test the triplets, the 3 little sockets. Yes, it's from 1 to 3. Now, you might as well bother because it blocks the other 2 up anyway. Plus the one you're plugged into. So it's a bit stupid, really. It's okay for a trailing lead, I suppose, with 1 socket on the end. But otherwise, it's pointless. Absolutely pointless. Or maybe you just plug it onto the socket on the wall. Now, these are okay if they're light load. Don't be plugging these in and put like 3 electric heaters into it or something like that. You're asking for trouble, like maybe a fire. You know how it goes with electrics. So allow me to plug Amy device. And no, it did not come from the Mrs. Bedside cabinet. Oh. Okay. That tells me that the polarity is reversed. Oh, dearie me. And now we're going to do this socket here. Let's have check this one out. Okay. Oh, the polarity is reversed. Blimey. Let's check the next one. Wish me luck. Oh, my giddy aunt. The polarity is reversed. Can't they get anything right? They've got an opportunity here to get it the right way round, you see. Because I've got 1, 2, 3. And we can all... They could just widen the right way round. Why do they have to be reversed? Now, I've come across this again and again and again on these sockets. Now, some people have commented in my previous videos about these things, you see, and told me it doesn't matter, you see. Most things these days aren't polarity sensitive. But it's not safe. I'm telling you, it's just not safe. No. These things are dangerous. Now, many devices, you see, just plug in to their like so, okay? Some devices don't even have an earth. They are dangerous in my book because you can easily reverse the polarity. And the problem with reversing the polarity is the 2 wires coming out of the cable, even though they might be brown and blue in their colours, well, the brown is no longer live and the blue is no longer neutral. It's reversed. So it does matter for safety, whoever's working on an appliance. In some cases, people working on things live. I know you shouldn't, but some people do. But also, you've got to consider a standing lamp or any device that switches on the live. It ain't very good if it's just switching on the neutral, you see. Because when you turn it off, it is still live in the thing, such as a light bulb. You know, just like you're fumbling around, you know, standing on a milking stool, trying to actually, plug that bulb back in. I can't get it on, and then your finger goes in. Yeah. Ask Mrs. She knows about. Anyway, let's not go there. You see, it matters. People want to tell you it doesn't matter, but it does matter. Safety matters. Standards matter. And continuity matters. In more ways than having the same thing all the while, as well as the continuity. Anyway, keep your polarity the right way round. Generally speaking, the live would be on the right. But in this case, the live is on the left. Because this adapter has reversed it. How stupid is that? And the same with this trailing lead. It's reversed. It's such a simple thing to get that right. Now, I kind of understand why they do it on these things, even though I don't think they should be allowed. They should be chucked. okay? But because of the earth here would interrupt with, well, the earth there, you see, from the prong of the English one to the French one. So they'll turn it around so they miss each other. But why not just make it a little bit deeper? So it's safe. Or safer. None of these things are great anyway, but you know. Now, my suggestion to you would be to, if you're capable, we'll find somebody who is get yourself a trailing lead, if you need an adapter to an English one, an English adapter, and just put a French plug on it. And then you've got a trailing lead wired the correct way round. So UK trailing lead with a French plug on it. And then you know it's going to be reasonably safe. But don't overload them, because the trailing lead amperage, the capacity of that trailing lead is for all the sockets on the trailing lead together. Don't put a load of, how to put it, high amperage devices into the trailing lead, because at the end of the day it's only going into one socket. And if it's a 13 amp socket, you mustn't, or say for instance a 10 amp trailing lead, you mustn't obviously go above the 10 amps with everything. So anyway, that's my little bit of advice for today. Get yourself one of these. I'll leave a link in the description down below, because then you can make sure that all your sockets are reasonably safe. It even tells you if you've got an earth as well, you see. Toodaloo.